Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to automate the blog on your website. This demo covers the fastest setup. Clone your repo, talk to the bot, and let it generate the content for you. But ClawBox isn't limited to this flow. It can plug into your existing stack, whether that's WordPress, Shopify, a custom CMS, or your own internal tools. If you'd like a tutorial on that, hit subscribe and drop a like. The interface is flexible by design. The same workflow can publish into whatever system your business already uses. Let's jump in. First, head to your GitHub repo or wherever your website lives and clone it into your ClawBox. If your site is just sitting in a local folder, upload the folder and tell the bot where to find it. Next, open your bot, either on Telegram or directly from your ClawBox, whichever you prefer. Send it something like, write a new blog post and generate a thumbnail for it. Give it a minute and the bot handles the rest. Post written, thumbnail created, ready to publish. About a minute later, it's all there. A complete blog post with everything you need to enhance your SEO, plus a matching thumbnail. For more tutorials, like and subscribe.